Sophomore, we've got a typewriter party going on. There's a bunch of typewriters and there's really good food. There's some really great old typewriters and some electric typewriters and a lot of people in there just writing letters.
Oh, you got the British typewriter. It's one of my favorite events. It's really fun because they also supply the stamps and seals. It's just good to hang out with your friends and some letters.
It's very fun. Yeah, it was exciting to round the corner and enter the room, which is usually really quiet, and to have a nice record spinning and a bunch of people laughing and drinking soda.
It's sort of like a semester happening where we have all of these typewriters that are donated from people in the community and all over campus. And there's like refreshments and people can just write stuff, write letters. I don't know how long it's been going on. This is the first one I've been to, but I really like it, and I think it's